Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kudret. Today we have some device here from the Lostvape Quest, Squonk mode or normal mode. You can use this well. Long time ago, I didn't make any video. I think a couple of months, like 5-6 months ago, and I decided to start again. Here is our device here, Centaurus Quest beef modes. As you see the package here. All the details here inside you can see, and you can follow and check Lostvape official sites and everything, Instagram, Facebook. Here is our packaging. If you open the package like this, here it is. We have some warranty card and everything, of course. You can look expired and everything. Here is all the manual, user manual things. You can read all of them, 5 to 100 watt, and all details and everything. You can look at them. It is so handy to have one. And here is our small package up here. Of course, devices with the 18650 and the 21700 battery is working. Here is our 18650 adapter cap inside there, and the Type-C charging cable inside. As if you want to see it, they are a little bit tight in here. I can take it out. So, yep. As you see, the Type-C normal cable, I cannot say it is really good quality, but it does work. Here is the 18650 adapter here. You can see the negative sign under it. You can put it back because I'm using all the time with the 21700. I'm not using 18650 for this kind of modes. And here we can put it back to place where it was. And we can come to our device. I've been using long time ago. Don't look at like it is like a new, but I think 2 months now, 3 months. I have had 2 of them, as you see here. I really like this device. And here is the device himself. We got the 2 bottles like this. One of them Squonk bottle, and the other one is like a normal bottle. Like you can carry it with you if you want to use some kind of RTA or something. When you go out of the house, you can take this one as a spare bottle with you, and you are never out of the liquid. Of course, it's 9 ml liquid capacity on this one. You can change both of them. This is the Squonk. It is so easy. You just have to pull it down, and then it's coming. So, and then you can put this one on here back, as you see here, like a normal mode, not Squonk or anything, and you can carry it with you like this. On the mode, as you can see here, up and down button, and on the middle is the bottom menu button is here. Type-C charging port on here. It is our screen on the side, on the front. On the side is power button. You can see Lostvape. It is designed really nice. On the top, as you see it here, I can put some 24mm RDA here, and you will see the size of it. And I think up to 28mm it is really nicely fitting, but over 28, a little bit overhang. I can put some 30mm Asgard RDA on the top of it. As you see, it will be a little bit overhang. You see it up there. Doesn't look really bad, but not nice either. You can take it out. We can look at some measurements on this one, how it is going. As you can have some perfect measurements. As you see here, 27.77. It is like I say 28mm. It doesn't matter at all. There is no overhang for 28mm. As a tall, 86mm tall. It is not that big at all. With the 18650 is working, with the 2100 as well, 21700, sorry. As you see, we put some battery in there. Here is my 21700 battery inside there. Negative down, positive up. It's really nice threading here battery, though I don't have any problem at all. Since now here is our liquid. If you want, you can fill up here liquid. If you want, you can take this bottle out, you can open here and fill it up like this, but both of side. I think this way is much better and much safer for you, because every time when you taking out the bottle and putting in, might be some problem. There is no problem with me, but might, you never know. As you see here, mode is open now, and a 5 click turn it off, 5 click turn it on. As you see here, really nice screen on this one. You can see the up on the top our homage and battery level, power, watts, or how many seconds. And then here is the memories. There is a 3 memories, you will see it here: hard, soft and normal, and a puff counter and setting up here. If you can look at it, so easy to go on the menu system here, not a problem at all. If you press one time menu button on the middle, you can go on between the menus like a bypass mode, voltage mode, VPC, nickel, titanium, SS and SS900, and power button, turn the back there. If you come down here, it's going up to 100 watts, quite fast, and the run ribbon is to the 5 watts. You can change it. As I say, there is a 3 memories on this one. I will show you how to do that. 1, 2, 3, and then you can change here normal, soft and hard, and here puff counter, you can clear the puff counter. If you come on the setting here, all the details of your atomizer, it will come on that one. And our screen, it is now all the brightness I put on the top, and the color, there is a 6 different color you can choose on this one. You can customize this however you want, is up to you. And here is the user that memories. I told you before, here you can change everything, power or SS, titanium, bypass, or however you want, soft, hard, normal, like a wattage, and everything you can change. And then you don't have to change every time your wattage or something. As you see here, I will show you 1 minute. If we come to the back, if I put on the 2, you can see the 5 watts now, but if I put on the 1, it's turning to the 32 watts, because I just changed that. I'm not really using too much, but as you see here, I put it on the 32, and the 2 is always like is coming with the 5 watts. You can come to that and I reset it all to like a factory wise, and everything is about it is version. And then you can come to back. That's it. It's not really so much to do on the menu, but so easy, handy and everything. I can put some RDA on top of it, Require version 2, as you see here, dual. Maybe we can put some liquid on that one, because cottons are a little bit dry. Yep. Every time when you put new atomizer on it, new coil or old coil, you can they will ask you that, and I will put on the top up to like a 70 watt or something. Right here, and I'm using all the time with this one voltage mode with the 4 volts. Firing is really nice on the hand. Standing on really nice, power button on the side, menus on the front. It is really nice. I don't have any problem with the mode. I've been using long time ago. Like I say, if I don't like it, I buy it for myself. And then this is sent me from the Sourcemore. I will put on the link somewhere here. You can check on that site as well. There is a really nice discount for this mode. Is on the hand is really nice. I don't have any problem, but I see some couple of complaining about this mode. Not the mode, is about the liquid bottle on this one. Sometimes it's loose side. I can tell you with my other one, this is a little bit loose. You see it? It's like a so easily coming out, but I don't have this one yet. I've been using this one as well, but you can see this is a little bit hard, but this is a little bit really soft wise. It's really so easily coming out. Just that is the problem. I've been using, I see some complaining about it as well. I have the same problem, but I have it just on the other machine. On this one, I don't have any problem at all. I can tell you that some of them they have a problem, but some of them they don't. I don't know why it is that. Out of all, I don't have any problem with the mode. It is really nice as a squonking, or if you want to put some RTA on top of it, you can put some RTA and you can just go outside. You can have a spare bottle like this. It's nothing so difficult to carry it and everything. If you thinking about some single battery 21700 or 18650 Squonk and normal bottle mode, it is really nice for you. This one is also look nice, handy to have it and everything. 10%, 10 out of 10% is really nice mode. I can recommend it to you, all of you. Thank you very much for watching me. Have a nice day. See you next video.